OPP, how can I explain it? I take it frame by frame it. Hello, jumping, shine, playing it. Always for other P's so people scratch your temple. The last P, well, that's not that simple. It's sort of like another way to call a cat a kid. It's 5 little letters that are missing. You get in on occasion if the other party isn't gaming.
If you got it, start to explain it.
You ever had a girl in metal on a laser low? They get a name and number, then they feel him mellow. You get home waiting, they see what you want to know about. Then you call up and it's a conference hall, cause it's house. It's out in front of F to R to the O to the N to the T. It's just some boyfriends out of house. It's so we beat some other people so you get it. It's over for relationships, it's just room to hit it. How many brothers out there know this what I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong cause I was splitting and co-hitting that? Well if you do that's OPP and you're in town with it. But if you don't, here's your membership. You down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? Who's down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? Who's down with OPP? That's for the ladies, OPP means something different. The first one to say, but the last is something different. It's the longest, lovely as me. I call it the latest. It's another fella that work by me with. Queen of Selena. I won't get into that. I do it up sort of properly. I say the last beat. Set to my property. Now, lady, here comes a kiss. Blow a kiss back to me. Now tell me exact. Have you ever known a brother who had another like a girl or wife? And you just had a supper toast and he looked just as nice. You looked at him, he looked at you, and you know right away. He had someone, but he was gonna be yours anyway. You could be seen with him and all I see you didn't care. Cause in the room behind the door, no one patrol that air. When y'all are finished, y'all can leave it, only y'all would know. And y'all can throw that selling bomb right in the closet door. Now don't be shocked cause if you down, I'ma take hands apart. COPP, I like it said with pride. Now when you do it well and make sure that it counts. You're now down with a discount. You down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? Who's down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? Check it out. It's over for relationships. It's just room to heal. To the late great man. Tupac Shakur. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can feel split to the split. Girls in the mouth. Who I don't know to touch. The naughty night dancing. She's trying to go and be happy. That's happy to be now. Being rock with spots and flops and boots and jeeps. With my boots and bills. That's how I roll with my head to go. When the wheel I got one competition, ain't don't beat your break, your broke, your smoke, and take the see into your little group of mute. Sooner or later, he would have flipped till the pool give me half with a dip. And all that other Ringling brother. 40 hop hop, right in the nation where I slam the flip, slam and hit. You can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go, they are. We gonna ride, we gonna go, we gonna ride, we gonna break, we gonna ride, we gonna go. Here we go, yo. From the real town, Ill-town, so we feel now, so we still am. Where the freestyle fans have never mind being in tough, making what you think it cause I'm pimpin'. I live it up in hip-hop, this is a pop of the day. I get pumped in. Put them up, y'all. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Say what? Hey, ho. We've been down since the days of high school. And everywhere we mark, we wrote stories about the raids I stopped. And we didn't come to brag about what we got. We came to rock. We moved the spot taking the streets of pop. Baby back down, come around, come roll that drop. You for the last few years is my evidence. People been biting off the by nature ever since. You live in value, reprimanded. Challenge me, guarantee when we finish, I'll be the last man standing. But with your heart, no need forever. Put your hands up. KG, put your hands up. Y'all know party people. I wanna see y'all.